So as it comes time to put all the stuff from summer away and start to pull out the stuff from winter, I am a big fan of these vacuum bags. So essentially they're just big giant Ziploc style bags that you can put clothes and blankets and camping equipment. That's what we use them for a lot. The dog stuff. And we put it into these bags. You use the vacuum to suck out all the air, and that reduces the size considerably. Then you can roll them up and store them away in the closet or in some storage bins, in storage. So these keep everything clean and fresh when they're in storage. When you pull them out next year, it's like having some kind of space thing. You open the Ziploc, and the air zips back in, and everything is good to go next year. So hope this helps.